Hey friends, we must have heard about the blue screen of death, black screen of death, etc. But what is the pink screen of death? Now, the pink screen of death is directly associated with the display of the computer. And in this case, one of the most common causes is overclocking of systems using third party software products or even the Armory Crate, which comes with the Asus computers. So it's an obvious answer to this problem that we need to disable overclocking on our system, and this can be done by shifting from the manual mode to the performance mode or resetting the changes. Now I never overclocked my system, so you won't find the option to remove overclocking, and I won't even do that. But if you have done that, then simply shift to the original mode or simply disable the Armory Crate software altogether. We don't really need it. It's not worth it. The second solution is to clean boot your system. Now, why do we have to clean boot our system? Because there are a lot of graphic intensive software products which can cause a playing screen of death. And by rebooting your system in the clean boot state, you are isolating that cause. So, search for system configuration in the Windows search bar. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. Click on disable all, click on apply, then on OK, and then restart your computer. The next solution is to update the GPU drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager window. Expand the list of display adapters. Right click on the NVIDIA GeForce One, select update driver and search automatically for drivers. And rather display all, update all the display drivers. The last solution is to run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command mdsched and hit enter. Now click on restart now and check for problems. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section below on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.